Hey, it's Mr. Able, guys. So let's review really quick the first 11 problems. All right, this first problem, we are going to be dividing 9 and 495. So remember, we're going to divide like we have been. Then you're going to get your quotient. But remember, this problem is about how many people are at each show. So select the closest numbers that the quotient is in between. So you'll get your answer here, then go ahead and select the closest numbers that it's in between. Okay? The question number 2. Same type of problem. You're going to be dividing 97 divided by 5. And we'll go ahead and do this, and then we'll answer. So how many 5s fit into 9 times? Well, 1 minus 5. 9 take away 5 is 4. I'm in the ones place, bring it down. How many 5s fit into 47? 9 minus 9 times 5, and 9 times 5 is 45. And I have 2 remaining. So which 2 is it in between? Well, it's between 15 and 20, right? Because 15 would be here, 20. All right, let's go on to question 3. All right, so we got to look at this model, and you have to write the equations. So don't forget, in the division equation, the total number goes first. So make sure that you tell me the total, tell me the number of groups, how many are in each group, and don't forget the remainder is how many left over. Okay, this is a problem that we should all get correct. Number 4. Select yes or no to tell whether the division sentence has a remainder. So if it has a remainder, you click yes. If it doesn't have a remainder, you click no. So divide. If there's something left over, you have to click yes. So if it has a remainder, click yes. Number 5. This is a question that we got to solve by using division. It says Nolan divides his 85 toy cars into boxes. Each box holds 9 cars. So do 85 divided by 9. Let's just do that first. And how many 9s can fit into 85? Well, I know that 9, sorry guys, I know that 9 times 9 is 81. That would give me 4 cars left over. So I would have 9 boxes, but I would still have 4 cars left over. So I need to put all of the cars away. So I would need 10 boxes because I would need that one more box to put these 4 cars in. It's not going to be a full, but I would still need it. Question 6, we need to set this problem up and solve. Make sure that you are accurate with your math facts. And right away, I can see how I can read this number is 3,200. And how many 8s fit into 32? 400. So make sure that you are looking at your place value for a question like this. Question 7 is the same type when you're looking at place value, and we are anything that's equal to 300. The quotient's equal to 300. We're going to click on it. So make sure that you are really looking at your place value and you are solving these problems. Question number 8 is really just a reading problem. Make sure that you read this and make sure that you're paying attention to the sentence here. Look at their work here and make sure that you're answering the question. Don't rush. So for problem number 9, you got to read this problem, and it's going to be division. So you can go ahead and set up your division problem and then solve it. How many 6s fit into the 8? Well, 1 minus 6, 2. I'm in the hundreds place, bring it down. How many 6's fit into 20? 6 times 3 is 18. That's 19, 20. I'm in the tens place, bring down the tens place. How many 6's fit into 21? 3 again. Subtract 18. 19, 20, 21, that's 3. I'm in the ones place, bring it down. How many 6's fit into 39? 6 times 6 is 36. I have 3 left over. The first digit of the quotient is in the thousands place. Let's go on to the next question. So this question is representing division, and don't forget, in a division problem, the total always comes first. So here would be the total. So it's either 120 divided by 60 or 120 divided by 30. But we're doing jumps of 60, so that's the one that goes with it. Make sure you look at the total. Make sure you're paying attention to the jumps. Make sure that you're paying attention. This should be a question that we do very well on. Question 11, the last one for now, is another division problem, of course. And in this problem, we've got some popcorn vendors, and they want to find out how many bags of popcorn did each vendor donate. So this is a division problem. Make sure that you are accurate as you divide. Make sure that if you get stuck and something doesn't seem right, I want you to start that whole problem over again. All right, don't try to look back and figure out where you made a mistake. Just start over again. Make sure that you are accurate with your math facts. Make sure that you are lining up your place value, and you'll do very well.